Welcome back to Starting From Scratch. Today, I don't feel like I've adulted. Today I'm going to be making healthy sesame chicken stir fry. It's a little later in the day today. I'm starving, so let's get into it. So to start, we need to start with the sauce. So for the sauce, there were a lot of things that I had never even heard of before, and I couldn't really find them in the grocery store, but nothing in the store that I could find said these things on them, so we're gonna go with the next best thing. This is what I could find. This is what I'm gonna use. Hopefully it still turns out okay. So for the sauce, we're gonna mix all the ingredients together and then set it aside while we do the chicken and veggies. So first thing is 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm gonna use, again, the liquid aminos. So 6 tablespoons of that. Four tablespoons Worcestershire. Half teaspoon ginger paste. That's one of the ones that I couldn't find, but I got ginger powder or ground ginger, and I don't have my half teaspoon measuring cup, so we'll do 2 of these. 1/4 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon rice vinegar. Rice vinegar is also a thing I didn't know existed. Look at me learning things today. 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey! 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. It says to use black pepper powder. I don't know what that is. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So there we go. Perfect. And then we'll just whisk this all together. And we'll just set that aside while we do the rest. So this big pot is gonna act as my wok today. So we're gonna heat this on high with 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, while that is heating, we are going to while that's heating, we are going to quickly cut the chicken into, that's a new noise. Okay, we got this going on high. I've cut the chicken, the nasty pieces off the chicken, and I'm just gonna cut these into smaller strips. And then we'll put them in the pan. Okay, this is pretty hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw the chicken in. And I'm gonna reduce this down to medium heat. Guys, we have chaos out here. There's a goddamn spider. Alright guys, Editing Ellie here once again. Hi, I'm back. So that's a spider that just dropped from my ceiling, thinking that he's just welcome to be in my space whenever he wants. It's unacceptable behavior. I've created rules in that space where if you're uninvited and you're not paying rent, you gots to go. So he had to go. I don't feel bad about it. He's dead. He needs to tell his little spidey friends they're not welcome in my space. I forgot that my stovetop does not go to medium very well. It's on low right now and it's still piping hot. So this pan, I guess, is on medium heat, so oh my god. I want to put this on this one, but I think I need to turn it off. Let it cool down. Chill out. these for 2 or 3 minutes, stirring every 30 seconds so that it cooks evenly. I'm just gonna let this cook because we've had a slight mishaps here. Okay, I'm gonna try to cut the veggies while that cooks. So we need 1 medium onion sliced thinly. Alright, so I just did a major hack job on these onions. They're good enough. Some of them are thin sliced, some of them are not. This chicken is definitely taking longer than 2 minutes, but I'd rather have it all the way cooked. I think it's almost there. Next veggie is a green pepper. And we're gonna slice this into like bite-sized pieces. I love bell pepper. And I think our chicken is pretty much done. So we're gonna take the chicken out, put it in a bowl, and then we're gonna put all of the veggies into this pan. Actually, we still got some pink on this chicken, so I'm gonna let that cook a little longer. So much for 2 minutes. But that'll give me time to cut the rest of my veggies. Next is carrots. For the carrots, we need 1/2 cup. I really don't know how to eyeball 1/2 cup of carrots, unless it's like in a bag. So I bought 3. Hopefully that's enough. I'm gonna peel these and then just cut them into little circles. And I'm actually gonna cut my carrots again in half. I probably should have cut them into strips, actually, now that I think about it, but it's too late. So maybe this is 1/2 cup? Oh yeah. So we definitely didn't need 3 carrots. We needed like 1.5 carrots. So I want to believe our chicken is done. This has been a disaster. It's definitely done. So you're gonna put this in a bowl while we cook the veggies. Okay, so now we need to add 1 tablespoon olive oil or sesame oil. Keep this on medium heat, and then we're gonna add our vegetables. I still need to cut my broccoli, but we need the pan to heat again because our stove is a hot mess. And we only need 1/4 cup of broccoli, which is not that much. So this is 1 head of broccoli. It's probably more than needed, but fine, we'll measure it. Why do I need so little broccoli? I'm just gonna put like a handful in and then kind of see how it's going. So this is definitely ready for all of our other things to go in. So we need 1 whole onion. We only need 1 cup of bell pepper, which is a little less than 1 pepper. Carrots and broccoli. 1/4 cup of broccoli just doesn't seem like that much. So it says to stir fry these for about a minute. We want the veggies to get tender but not overcook them. This stovetop is giving me the worst trouble today. I'm really not a huge fan of raw onions, so I'm going to make sure that those are thoroughly cooked before anything else. They should take the least amount of time to cook, I would think, besides the broccoli maybe. But it said to only cook it for like 4 minutes, and we've been out here stirring for a bit. So the next thing is we're gonna take our chicken and put it back in, and then we're gonna add the sauce and cook that for about like 3 minutes. Pour our sauce on top. And I totally forgot that I was gonna cook some brown rice to put with this dish, but that takes like 15 minutes to cook. I was too hungry and I got so excited about this dish that I forgot what else I was doing. Okay, I think this is done. I'm gonna put it in a bowl and taste it. It smells good. It looks okay. I feel like it should have had me add more veggies. Like there's a lot of chicken to veggie ratio here. All right, here's our very underwhelming stir fry. Let's try it. Maybe she has a great personality, who knows? Okay, first bite, we got pepper, chicken, carrot, broccoli, onion. It's not bad. I will say, in this recipe, I can tell that it's liquid aminos and not soy sauce. The chicken maybe could have been not fucked up by myself. That would have been a start. It's definitely a little overcooked. But the rest of the sauce is pretty good. It's like kind of spicy, exactly what you would expect. I'll eat this bowl because I cooked it, not because it's amazing. We peaked at pasta, people. We peaked at pasta. I don't know what to do. So yeah, we have another, I think, fail. It's like a halfway fail. I definitely want to try this again because I feel like it has potential. Like, I was close on this one. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!